Welcome everyone, and today's topic is about dictionaries, and myself Pravita, Assistant Professor from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. And dictionary is nothing but a built-in data structure that allows you to store and retrieve data in key value pairs. It is also known as associative array or hash map in other programming languages. That is, usually we use to give list of data, and it is used to refer by using index values, right? So instead of index values, we are going to use a specific key values, that is unique key values, to refer the data provided inside the dictionaries, right? So we are going to provide a key value, that is a unique key values, to refer the data instead of index values. And they provide a fast and efficient way to access values using keys, making them suitable for tasks such as storing, configuration settings, mapping entities, or representing complex data structures, right? So while using indexing values, it is fast and efficient way to access data instead of index values, that is 0 to n-1. So we are going to see how to create a dictionary and what are the methods available in dictionaries in Python language. So the first line is a syntax, that is my dictionary, that is we are going to create a variable my dictionary, and we are going to provide the values and key values inside the dictionary, that is inside curly braces. So just note the syntax, variable name is equal to curly braces, key value and the data. So in wise we can create an empty data also inside empty curly braces. So dictionary accessing. So accessing values is nothing but retrieving the values associated with specific keys. So when we print a dictionary with a specific key, that we provide a unique key, we just the output will be the data which is entered in that key, right? So there are syntaxes, my dictionary, it's a square braces, key value. So modified value is nothing but updating the values associated with specific key. That is, you can see the example, the dictionary name, inside that we have provided the key value, and that is equal to the new value which you are assigning. The last value is value 2, and now that is new value. The value is updated. And next, the dictionary operations, right? The first operation is adding key value, that is pairs. Add a new key value pair to the dictionaries. That is, already we have created 2 keys, and now the third key is created by using dictionary of, this is the square braces, we are going to give the key and followed by equal to the value. Value 3 is the new value which we are going to add in the dictionaries. And the next one is removing key value pairs. Same wise, for removing a key value we can use del key, that is the syntax is del, the dictionary name of the unique key. Then the data which is given in the unique key will be removed along with the key value, right? And the next one is checking key existence. For checking key existence, we use a normal if loop for checking. The syntax is if the unique key value in the dictionary name. So if it is present, we can just print the key is present, the key exists in the dictionary. Yes, it doesn't exist. So the normal if clause is used. And the next one is dictionary methods. The first method is key of. Usually when we print a dictionary, the key value along with the data is printed, right? So instead of printing the value along with key values, you need only the key values which is available in the dictionaries. In such case, we can just use this syntax, that is dictionary name dot keys of, to print only the key values, right? And the next one is values of. So instead of key values, you need only the data which is inside which is provided inside the dictionaries. So when there is a need of only the values, you can use this syntax, that is dictionary name dot values of. This is used to print only the values or only the data inside the dictionaries. And the next one is items. So items is just normal way to print the dictionary. That is the list of items along with the key values is printed using this items method. That is nothing but my dictionary dot items method is used to print. You can just see the result in the square braces. Each pair is displayed. note that dictionaries are unordered collection, right? Unordered collection, meaning that the order of the key values pairs may not be preserved, right? When you want an ordered collection, or you want to collect it by using collections in Python, right? Thank you.